Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is as commonplace as smartphones. A world where our most pressing problems, from climate change to disease, are solved through technological innovation. That future is being shaped by individuals like Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI. Who is Sam Altman? Sam Altman is a tech entrepreneur and investor known for his work at Y Combinator and OpenAI. Y Combinator is a renowned startup accelerator that has funded companies like Airbnb and Dropbox. Altman's vision for the future is one where technology is used to solve humanity's biggest challenges. OpenAI and Chatgpt. OpenAI, under Altman's leadership, has made significant strides in artificial intelligence research. Perhaps their most famous creation is Chatgpt, a language model capable of generating human-quality text. Chatgpt has demonstrated the immense potential of AI to revolutionize fields like education, customer service, and creative writing. The future of AI. Altman envisions a future where AI is deeply integrated into our lives. He believes that AI can be used to address global challenges like climate change, healthcare, and poverty. However, he also acknowledges the potential risks of AI and the importance of developing it responsibly. AI safety and ethics. Altman is a vocal advocate for AI safety and ethics. He believes that it is crucial to develop AI in a way that benefits all of humanity. OpenAI has made significant investments in research to ensure that AI is developed safely and responsibly. The role of entrepreneurship. Altman believes that entrepreneurs play a critical role in driving technological innovation. He has encouraged a generation of entrepreneurs to build companies that have a positive impact on the world. Altman's work at Y Combinator has helped to foster a vibrant startup ecosystem. Conclusion. Sam Altman is a visionary who is shaping the future of technology. His work at OpenAI and Y Combinator has had a profound impact on the world. As we look to the future, it is clear that individuals like Altman will play a crucial role in determining the course of human history.